Hi, I'm Inder Gopal. I'm responsible for cloud networking in IBM.
And we talked about some of the trends earlier about public and private cloud and the migration to the cloud. What's your sense of that?
Well, my sense is that both public cloud and private cloud environments are here to stay for a little while, right? And in fact, the real strength would be to merge these two into hybrid environments, where customers can actually use the strengths of both private cloud environments and public cloud environments, hopefully with a common software infrastructure. So in fact, what they can do is move workloads seamlessly and in a very non-disruptive fashion from public to private or vice versa. And you're starting to see those environments evolve. IBM, for example, has a bunch of hybrid cloud offerings where we can actually enable that. So a customer, for example, can start with a private cloud, and as they, say, run out of scale or they want additional function, or they find that it's just too hard for them to do on a private cloud basis, they can effectively migrate function over to the public cloud and do it almost on demand. Similarly, you can have customers that start, say, with the public cloud offering, and as they reach a certain scale, they feel, hey, look, there's some functionality I would like to take in-house. They can then migrate function from the public cloud to the private cloud and host it there. And so you see things going both ways. So I mean, I think the real successful customers and successful vendors are going to be those that are able to transcend both of these environments and leverage the strengths of each in a way that matches the kinds of workloads and application performance objectives that they have.
What's your sense of how OpenStack fits into the picture?
We think open standards in general are critically important, right? Obviously for interoperability, for enabling a common set of APIs for application developers, for creating common southbound interfaces, so various kinds of infrastructure can be managed in a consistent way, without having to go rewrite applications. So what OpenStack does is really it creates that open source standard platform that no matter whose network you have, no matter whose servers you have, no matter whose storage systems you have, or no matter what applications you have, all these things will work together, and really be able to deliver, to customers a multi-vendor solution, which is really not feasible if you don't have an open source based software environment.